Uh, sorry. Siren Head? Oh my gosh! It's Siren! Guys, I am so sorry about that. Siren Head was in my freaking neighborhood. You can hear him. I know for a fact I ain't him. Yeah, stupid. Uh. mm, Yeah. Dude, what should I say, man? Like, what should I say? Should I say Freed sucks? Uh. No, don't leave! Pokemon Horizons! This ain't